Alrighty, guys, another week's in the books, and let me tell you, man, it was not a great day for stocks. We went down well over 1% on every index, but take a look at this. Palantir had a green day, and we actually took out the highs from yesterday, so we have to break down the charts, what I'm doing. Am I about to buy, sell? Am I just holding? And we have to break down President Donald Trump, which you guys, I'm sure you've seen by now. His trades got disclosed, and yeah, he's buying Palantir. We have to break down what he's been doing with the stock, and trust me, guys, you're going to want to hear that part of the video. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, join my Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio updates, my private Discord. All that's linked down below, pinned in the comments, or go to stocksurfest.com/Patreon. And now, guys, cheers. Let's dive into the video. So we had a nice subtle green day in Palantir stock, which is great considering, first of all, how much it's been going down, and second of all, how bad the stock market was today. The S&P went down over 1.2%. The Qs went down 1.5%. The Dow went down, let's see here, guys, over 1%, and the Russell led the losses by a mile, down over 2.4%. Think about that, guys. Pretty rough day for the Russell here, as again, Palantir had a nice quarter percentage point green day, slightly taking out the highs from yesterday. And earlier in the day, it was up, I think, about 1.5%, and we hit $135, roughly 136. And yesterday's high, we actually double topped at about 134.50. Then we sold off into close, and we again took out that high today, which is phenomenal. And you guys can see on the 1 hour chart, the more you zoom out, you realize, okay, we're nowhere near actually breaking out. But I do think Palantir is a great buy here. And honestly, even better if this triangle plays out. Like I've been saying, I think it actually will play out. But we don't know for sure, which is why you could still dollar cost average here, in my opinion. And again, if this triangle plays out, I think we're going to 110, 115. That would be a screaming buy, in my opinion. And that's honestly what I'm waiting for here as somebody that's been in the stock since 20 bucks a share. I locked in some profits at 180. I'm waiting to see if this gets back down to 20 or 120, 110, 115. That's where I'm looking to really start loading up again. And it's all about patience, man. It's all about patience when it comes to individual stocks and index funds for that matter. Everything in the stock market involves some sort of patience, right? And we have to wait for our price targets, especially with individual stocks, guys. It's very important to actually stick to your targets and wait till they get there. If the stock gets there, sure, go ahead and buy it. And if it doesn't, guess what? You don't always have to buy it if it doesn't get to your target. So let's talk a little bit about Trump, what's going on here on his end, which I have a video coming out hopefully tomorrow about, all his recent buys that we got word of, right? He's made a lot of buys here, guys, millions of dollars of stocks he's buying, and he's making a lot of money. Let's just say that. And we can see here the headline reads, Trump touted Palantir on Truth Social after buying the company's stock, according to records. So we can see President Trump, we can see if we zoom or scroll down here rather, President Trump scooped up shares of AI company Palantir weeks before he famously touted the stock with its ticker symbol on his social media platform, Truth Social. Isn't that crazy, man? We have Trump pumping up a bunch of stocks. I mean, look, did he really pump up Palantir with it being what, $500 billion? Well, I guess a couple $100 billion market cap now, whatever it is. Maybe a little bit, who knows? But I mean, it is a massive company at the end of the day, and the stock's still down a lot. I mean, it's not like the stock's at all-time highs, but the records show thousands of transactions during the first quarter, totaling hundreds of millions of dollars, with each trade listed as a price range. Those are all his trades. We're talking a lot of money here, guys, which again, we'll make a video on that in the coming days. Hopefully it comes out tomorrow. During the first 3 months of the year, Trump purchased between $247,000 and $630,000 worth of the stock, right? And in March alone, Trump made at least 7 purchases of Palantir stock, totaling as much as $530,000. And the following month, Trump praised Palantir on Truth Social as shares suffered their worst week in over a year. That came as the software sell-off accelerated amid the Iran war, and the company caught the ear of famed short seller Michael Burry, right? Palantir Technologies has proven to have great warfighting capabilities and equipment, said the president on the Truth Social platform. He said, just ask our enemies, right? And we can see the company's tools have been reportedly used to identify targets in Iran. And we can see several transactions were denoted as unsolicited, indicating that the move wasn't done by recommendation of a broker or financial advisor. So Trump's out there just willy-nilly loading up on stocks, right, guys? Not saying the guy's not smart. Obviously, he's been in business for years. I'm sure he's been buying stocks for years. But, yeah, he's buying stocks out there without the recommendation of a broker or financial advisor, which, I mean, don't we all do that? We all do that for the most part, right? But it's funny, you know, he's running the country, he's doing all these different things, and he's also buying stocks on the side. You know, he's stock picking, which is interesting. President Trump's investment holdings are maintained exclusively through fully discretionary accounts independently managed by third-party financial institutions with sole and exclusive authority over all investment decisions. Trades are executed and portfolios are balanced through automated investment processes and systems administered by, those institutions, said a Trump Organization spokesperson, if I could talk today, guys. And that's quite interesting. Let's come down here a little more. Man, your boy's thirsty. Oh, man. Excuse me, guys. So these are Trump's trades on Palantir in 2026. We can see, if I zoom out a little bit, we can see this chart. We can see he's traded quite a few shares of the stock, during the pumps, the lows, and he hasn't really bought much in the last couple of weeks, I guess we can see here, but he has made a good amount of trades in the stock here and a bunch of other stocks for that matter, which we'll talk more about in an upcoming video. But yeah, he's bought a good amount. We can see 15 to 100K unsolicited back in January. Same back in March and February. He bought about $1 million to $5 million worth right around here. And look, I'm assuming these are long-term positions or long-term buys, right? So we'll see. Will Trump come out on top? Does he have incentive for Palantir to go up? Hello. Yes, it's obvious. So, not saying go out and buy Palantir just because of this, but hello, they're in cahoots with the U.S. government, right? Carp and Trump. Trump's buying their stock. Guys, we all know they're a great company as well. Fundamentally, the numbers, the growth. And again, now they're in cahoots with Trump, the government. Trump's buying the stock. Not saying to go buy the stock yourself, guys, but come on, these are all signs to keep an eye on. Do you think the stock's going to do well, or do you think it's going to crash and burn, right? I mean, to me, it's obvious this stock's going to go back towards the mid-hundreds, high hundreds, back to 200. It's pretty obvious with the backing that it has. But for now, the chart does not look great. That's also pretty obvious. But again, when in doubt, zoom out. It's a buying opportunity. Think long term. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. What are you doing? I'm curious. And yeah, join the Patreon if you want to see what I'm doing. If you want to see my portfolio updates, my private Discord, if you want to be a part of it. And if you want to just see all my real-time trades, investments, options, moves, everything's linked down below on Patreon, or go to stassurfest.com/Patreon, and it's also in the comments. I'll see you guys in there. And with that being said, cheers. Have a great rest of your day, and have a great weekend.